Are you the one still thinking, why should I upgrade myself? Why should I upgrade myself daily on a daily basis? Then let me share with you people that in this fast growing world, the transformation is happening in each and every field, whether it is related to your career or business. And if you don't upgrade yourself, then it's a bitter truth. But I have to say, you become outdated. So, do you want yourself to be called as outdated? And definitely, one should focus, one should invest in self upgrading yourself and learning new skills. And if you're gonna say me, Diksha, time किसे पास है? So have you ever thought जो ये है मार्क जुकरबर्ग, बिल गेट्स और विनफ्री एंड ऐसे कोई महारथी जो है सक्सेसफुल है, they also have been successful and they also do their work, but what are the things common in them? कभी सोचा है? Yes, they spend at least 5 hours in a week upgrading themselves, learning new skills. So definitely if they can, you can also do that. And definitely उन्हें पता है न्यू स्किल्स अगर सीखे नहीं हमने, will become outdated. Hello all, I welcome you all to the Monday motivation. And today's motivation is not only for only students, teachers, parents, but for each and every human being that you should definitely focus on upgrading yourself, upgrading each and every moment, learning new skills so that, and yes, you will ask, what are the advantages? एंड डेफिनेटली जब तक एडवांटेजेस ना बताए गए हो तो थोड़ी पता चलेगा कि सच में अच्छा है या नहीं है. देन आई मस्ट से यू, first thing that happens, it increases your self-confidence, your value increases as a brand, and definitely you stand out, you open your new doors to some of your opportunities. जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज में आपको फायदा होता है. बट क्या आपने ये कभी, हैव यू एवर थॉट, लॉकडाउन में हमारे पास इतना ज़्यादा समय था, वाई देयर वे पीपल ऑफरिंग फ्री कोर्सेज? कभी ये थॉट कभी आया है दिमाग में दैट वाई वर से बिग कंपनीज ऑफरिंग फ्री कोर्सेज, लाइक मेनी ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज वे ऑफरिंग फ्री कोर्सेज, फ्री ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज. They also wanted that you don't waste your time in binge watching and instead invest your that special time in learning new skills so that after lockdown, जब भी लॉकडाउन खत्म होता है, you become a better person instead of just crying, OMG, what else do, and in so many hours my time will get wasted. Investing your time in self upgrading and yourself so that you will become better. एंड डेफिनेटली जिसने वो फायदा उठाया लॉकडाउन में बहुत सारी न्यू स्किल्स सीखने का, they have become better and definitely they have opened new doors for themselves and become better each day. So what are you thinking still? How can we do that? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, न्यू स्किल्स, लर्न न्यू लैंग्वेज, न्यू इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. Self help books are the best what I feel like, because I have a lot of self help books, so that if I can't do any online course or like अगर एक दो में सिर्फ enroll कर सकते हैं फिलहाल due to the lack of time, you know what, time management, I can do what this thing, like I have the self help books, I can read and improve myself. एंड डेफिनेटली अगर एक भी बुक आपने पढ़ी हो 10 दिन में और 15 days, you get a lot of knowledge, and that knowledge I don't think so, like वो इतना सारा, this small book can give you a lot and lot of knowledge because the author who has written the book, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ शॉर्ट समराइज करके शॉर्ट में लिखा है सो दैट आपको वो हेल्पफुल हो, आपको वो स्किल्स आप ध्यान में रखें, आप वो चीज़ें सीखें और बने बेटर एंड बेटर ईच डे. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग स्टिल थिंकिंग? स्टॉप थिंकिंग. कुछ नहीं होने वाला थिंकिंग से. स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शंस नाउ, स्टार्ट पुटिंग योर एक्शंस नाउ, स्टार्ट टेकिंग द एफर्ट्स so that you become better and better each day and never ever like किसको ये बोला कि कोई outdated हो गया. No, start focusing on self upgradation, start investing so that you become better and better each day, and that's what we actually want. Thank you so much, and do let me know when was the last time आपने कब ऐसे सोचा हो, and do you think self upgradation is important? Please do let me know in the comment section below and type yes if you feel self-upgradation is very important. And thank you for watching my video till the end. Do like, do share, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And definitely today was day 4 of my content challenge. Let's see, bringing something new every day so that we together become better and better each day. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you so much.